When you're cooking spaghetti, you want your bowl of pasta to be perfect. Unfortunately, if you're cooking with untreated water, you're adding additional seasonings such as the magnesium and the calcium found in hard water. Both of those things can negatively impact the flavor of your dish. So if you want to preserve your grandma's legacy and honor her favorite recipe, make sure you give us a call and get a whole home filtration system installed in your home. That way you can enjoy all your favorite dishes. Go ahead and tap the link below to learn more.